Hi guys, so I wanted to make a tutorial about the marketplace. So my Groot landed right away. So it actually shows up in your wallet. So you go like this and it shows you my collectibles, right? I actually purchased a common, so because I wanted one. I had a rare which I sold. So I bought a common because I wanted one. So once you get your collectible, the one that just dropped, you go to market and you start looking at the prices, the floor prices. So for example, I have common, so I click into common, I scroll down and it tells me the floor price. Sometimes these sell very quickly, so people will look higher. So you don't have to list at 40, you could list at 44 because this whole range is what people can see. And if they're desperate for it, they will click higher. And then you decide what price you want to sell at. And so for common, it's pretty much the same price as the drop, 40 gems. For uncommon, it's slightly higher at 50, 65. Sometimes people snipe the floor and try to resell it for a higher amount. I sold mine for 175 and they're already climbing up at 185. I'm happy with how I did it. Because I take the immediate floor price as kind of what it's going to be, and it's generally that. So if you want to sell it, you click. So first you get an idea of what the floor price is like. Then you click on your collectible. It takes you here. And then you click sell in market. And I don't do auction. I always do buy it now. And then you remember what the floor price was or whatever price you want for the future. I stick to floor prices because I'm trying to sell right away to make my gems. And then you type it in, let's say it's 1,000, for example. When you press confirm, it tells you how much the fee is that they will take if you actually sell it. So it's 8.5% of whatever you sell. So I don't want to sell this, so I'm not going to sell anything. But pretty much what I've been doing is, I have been purchasing, like I got the rare Coca-Cola, the rare Mickey, and the rare Groot. So I've purchased uncommon or common just to have a piece of the collection. For these, and in addition, if you ever forget how much you paid for something, you click on the collectible, you scroll down, it tells you how much you paid. So now if I want to check the floor price of this one, right? Deadpool rare. So I'm going to look in the market. I'm going to look at collectibles and I'm going to find Deadpool rare and I'm going to look at the floor price. So I overpaid by about 110 gems for my Deadpool rare because I purchased it right after it dropped. Usually a day or two, the numbers kind of stabilize of where the price is going to be. But when people are excited and scared and FOMO, they're going to buy whatever. So I FOMO'd in on the Deadpool and I FOMO'd in on the Voltron. Oops. If you click this or this, I think it shows the whole, like what it looks like in augmented reality. So try to click the eye and then it will tell you how much you paid. So I paid 150 for the Voltron. Oh, it tells me right here the floor price. Oh, this is so nice. I didn't know I could do this. Perfect. So you click on your collectible. You see, I'm learning, you're learning. You click on the eye for information. It tells you how much you paid and how much the floor price is. And if you click this little arrow, it will tell you what the floor price is. So that is beautiful. So similarly, like this one, the Groot that just dropped, let's say it's the collectible that just came into my collection. I scroll down and I could see how much I paid and what the floor price is. So I can always easily monitor the floor price for the collectibles that I have. So let me check the floor price for the Coca-Cola bottles. So I paid 77, the floor price is 82. So this is awesome. I like all of these, so I'm going to hang on to them. I actually have some of them listed in the market. You could check if you click market and then listings. I'm obviously trying to get more money for them. So I listed them really high up there. And I'm just letting it sit there, and that's pretty much it. These are my collectibles. I hope this tutorial helps anyone that needs help in the marketplace. And don't forget that the USPS stamps are coming out in 3 hours and 10 minutes, a visit from Saint Nick. Okay, bye guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.